Hi, birdie birdie. What are you? And then we got two more over here. They're looking. Oh, what are you doing? How you doing, birdie? You stay your distance. I see it. Stay your distance. I see you, funny bird. What you doing? Sing to me. Hi, pretty little red-headed bird. What are you? There's three of them.
I told you they have colors. I didn't describe them.
They do have red. I didn't see it till I got over here. Oh, look how big.
I have a good in my hair.
Oh my gosh, you are so big. Are you gonna talk to me?
If I flop at it, I bet it'll freak out.
If you flop?
Like if I wave my arms at it real big.
Yeah. Hi, birdie. Is he gonna peck me? Look at him.
Are you taking a video or a picture?
Video. I'm waiting for him to make that fucking noise. What are you doing? Where you going?
You watching me like that bitch came up confident as fuck.
So did I.
Oh my god, pet it.
I'm gonna grab its leg. Look at him walking. Teeter totter, teeter totter. Hi, birdie. Hi, birdie. Hi, birdie. Ooh, what beautiful eyes you have. Hi, birdie. You're closer. Can I touch you? He got to do that, didn't he? He's like, you ain't goosing me. I want to touch you, birdie. You gonna peck the ground? Peck, peck, peck. Can I touch you? I touched it. I did it. I touched you. He's wiping it off. Hi, little girl. Hi, little girl. I want you to sing. Go, diddle-diddle-diddle-diddle. Do it. Make that funky noise you did. You walk so funny. Please let me touch you. Where'd you go? You let me touch you. Here we go. I'm coming by you. We're going to cross paths again. Oh, we're going to cross paths again. Hi, he split.
That's what I wanted to do.
Hi, little birdie. One more try. Come on. I know. He don't want me no more. I'm coming back to this one. I got you now, buddy. You're all alone. You guys better start singing. I want to hear you singing. Courtney says, Nana. I did a birdie birdie. Shoot, them darn geese is what scared me.
I can see through his nose hole.
I can too. He stretches his neck fast, don't he? Quit walking back and forth pacing. You're making me not feel good.
So there's a little double skip at me.
Come on. Are you the baby? Are you the baby and there's the mama daddy? You're such a redhead. Looks like a nasty ball sack, you know? Hi, little birdie. Hi, little birdie. Please quit walking so fast. Little birdie, birdie. What are you? Hi, little birdie, birdie, birdie. Hi, little birdie. Woo! I'm tired too. Okay. Let's just walk over there to Courtney. Here he comes. He's like almost running. Walk over to Courtney. Uh-huh. Walk to Courtney. Uh-huh. Walk to Courtney. Run to Courtney. Run to Courtney. Run to Courtney. You cheated. Cheater, cheater. Come on, run to Courtney again. Run to Courtney again. Why don't you just make the damn noise? That's all I want.
Just get back over there.